Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are back with another recipe, soy bajil gesi. In this video, first we'll be seeing how to make the masool and then the gesi. Masool is nothing but the masala. This masala can be added in any dal and vegetable combination to make the soy bajil gesi. And this once made can be stored for about 2 to 3 months or more. It has a very good shelf life. So let's see how to make this recipe. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get the latest notification from us. Masool is made differently in different regions, so I'll be showing you the basic one and you can add your own variations if needed. So here I have taken one medium size coconut grating, 12 or more dry red chili, 1 tablespoon of dhania or coriander seed, a pinch of turmeric. Urad dal and curry leaf is optional. Here I haven't used, if you want you can use it. Preheat the kadai and once it's completely dry, add the dhania seeds and dry red chili and dry roast them until they get aromatic. To stop further cooking, once it's dry roasted, shift it immediately to a plate. Add the freshly grated coconut and dry roast them until they get golden brown color. Once they are half done, add the turmeric powder. Switch off the flame once your coconut grating is completely dry roasted. Add dhania seed and the dry red chili which was previously dry roasted to the coconut grating and mix it all together. Shift it to a dry plate and let the mixture cool for some time. When the mixture is little warm, grind it using a mixer until you get the oil on top of the masool paste. Now your masool is ready. This can be stored for months in any dry container. So let's see how to make the soy bajil gesi. This is usually made along with a dal and a vegetable combination, and every combination has its own taste. Here I'll be making a tur dal and a potato combination. You can even take vegetables such as yam, breadfruit, drumstick, jackfruit seeds, and dal varieties such as black gram dal, dry green peas, moong and chickpeas. To make this you need one small piece of Malabar tamarind, 1 cup of tur dal which I have cooked along with the Malabar tamarind in pressure cooker, a cup of cooked potatoes, salt as per taste. In a vessel we'll be adding the cooked dal, cooked potatoes and 2 to 3 tablespoons of masool, salt and mixing all together and cooking for some time until done. Now your soy bajil gesi is ready. Do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was. If you like our video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. There are a few more videos on your screen. Do click and enjoy them as well. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Have a nice day and keep smiling.